All right, so this is narration on how the different science tricks using static electricity work. So here in the first one, what they've got are, as you can see, two different what they call capacities. Basically, they have plastic dishes that they're going to use. They have a towel. They're going to use the towel, as you'll see, to charge one of these plastic containers up using friction. So the other one that you'll see they're going to put the sugar on top of. So let's see what happens. So there goes the sugar. Then they'll charge up that container with a towel. So there's the friction. Now they're going to use induction to get the sugar to jump. So they're not bringing it close enough to touch, but it's enough to induce that charge to attract the sugar. Here off screen, what you can't see them do, they're going to charge a PVC rod. So they're going to rub a PVC rod with a towel. And now that PVC rod is charged and it's going to attract the opposite charges in the bubbles. And so that's how they're able to pull them across the pan, because the opposite charges in the bubbles are going to be attracted to that PVC rod. In this experiment, they are going to build what we call an electroscope. So they've got real high-tech equipment. They've got a paper clip and the bottom of a cup. So they're going to put that through the bottom of the cup. Then they're going to hang a couple pieces of foil from that paper clip. What they'll do once they get this put together is they're going to bring that charged PVC rod up to that paper clip. They aren't going to touch it, but it's going to transfer some charge in that they're going to organize the charges in the paper clip, and that'll transfer to the foil, and they'll have the same charge and push away from each other. This last one is probably one of my favorites. It's called the dancing balls. So what they've done is they've made some foil balls. I'm going to pause it here for a sec because they do it pretty quick. They made just balls out of foil, and then they've got a plexiglass stand that they put over top of them. And then what they're going to do is they're going to rub that towel over the top of that plexiglass stand, and it's going to charge it by friction. Then the foil balls are going to be attracted by induction. And so let's see what happens. And so you can see those balls are temporarily attracted by induction and jump up.